I think it's a great new system that's going to be brought to the market. It's obviously the infrastructure of it is pretty good, where you can expand panels around the building to save on cable. Obviously changing from a 4-core to a 2-core will reduce cabling costs going forward.
I think it's a very good product because in our buildings we've got lots of retrofits and I think this will fit us perfectly.
I thought it was excellent. We've got many systems out there that we upgrade. Certainly makes things easy for us, or more straightforward, should I say, rather than having to make changes in the field.
Very impressive, very good indeed. In fact, we placed our first order this afternoon with Baldwin Boxall for the new OmniCALL system.
I think it's very exciting to have an updated version. Obviously 20 years ago we was using all the old system, it's never been updated. I think using the 2-core cable, very good. It's landed well with all our suppliers, being more efficient, less containment having to go in, less cabling. Obviously environmentally it's a big impact now these days. I think it's a very good product. It looks very, can't wait to get on our next job.